10 Effective Ways to Earn Extra Income 2021. Do you want to get extra income while working? Do you want financial independence or want to start your own business as a side job? Or you're just looking for a way to make money online from home so you can improve your financial situation? Maybe you've already tried several different ways, but failed. Don't worry, I have chosen the best ways to make extra income online at home. All the money-making ways in this video are tried and tested. So, stick to the end of the video for the best results. Let's get started. 1. Paid surveys, easy and fast way. Participating in these surveys is a quick and easy way to earn extra income and does not require any special skills from you. You can fill out surveys on your phone, tablet, or computer, and you can answer them from anywhere, anytime, even from your home couch. You may have heard that answering opinion polls online can make you money at the same time. Often, answering these paid surveys takes about 5 to 10 minutes to complete, and you can make a good chunk of money from $2 to $10 per survey. You can make yourself an hourly wage of $10 to $30 if you find enough questions to answer. For this reason, we recommend that you register for more than one service, as some services only offer a limited number of queries per day. Some of the best survey websites are Inbox Dollars, Survey Junkie, Swagbucks, Life Points, Branded Surveys, My Points, etc. 2. Start freelancing. The demand for freelancers is growing fast. If you are good at writing or can take good photos, do image editing or edit videos, do web development or data research, then there is a high demand for your skills. Fiverr is one of the popular websites through which many are looking for people to hire and get the job done. Other good alternatives of Fiverr are Upwork, Freelancer, which is also worth checking out. Even if you don't have any special skills, these freelancers can be utilized in another way. As a freelance writer, you can work for private companies, advertising agencies, firms, self-employed people, and many more. You can work according to your schedules and set the desired salary for the work you do, either as an hourly wage or a reward per project. 3. Start part-time telecommuting. This can be thought of in two different ways. One way is to find yourself a part-time extra job that you can do at home and it's easy and not stressful for you. For example, e-commerce customer service, acting as a chat operator, or telemarketing may be suitable options. The most important criterion here is that the work could be done at home and preferably the working hours could also be influenced by one. Another view on this issue is to get a full-time job where you have free time within the working day. Many office jobs are suitable for this. So you do two different jobs on the same working day. A side job should be one from which you have the opportunity to get passive or at least time and place independent income at some point. If it sounds difficult to you, simply skip to the next way. 4. Write articles from home. Part-time teleworking has been mentioned before, but the writing of articles must be raised as a separate item. This is a fast-growing field as a huge number of new pages are coming to the internet every day and more content production in need. For example, many lifestyle sites and travel blog sites are constantly looking for article writers. The fee is often in the range of $10 to $50 per hour and is often tied to the number of words written. If you're a fast writer, then you probably earn pretty well. You don't have to have any specific professional degree for this work. It's enough that you know how to write grammatically flawless good content. 5. Start Airbnb rental service. This is one very good but undervalued way to making extra money. If you can rent one room in your home or you have the opportunity to stay temporarily with your friends or parents, then you may want to try putting a rental notice on Airbnb. This costs nothing and doesn't even bind you to anything. You can put the ad on the Airbnb website and test if there would be a demand for it. With an Airbnb rental, you can earn more money from a few dozen to $100 a month. This alone can be the solution to improve your financial status and money problems. 6. Start writing blogs. Starting a blog is one of the best ways to work when your schedule allows and earn a passive income over the long run. Writing a blog is also a completely place-independent job. Your passion can be food, traveling, fashion, home renovation, car racing, camping, etc. Blogging allows you to turn your hobby into a livelihood. So how do you make good money with a blog? By selling advertising space. By promoting affiliate products and services for which you earn commissions. By selling your own physical or digital products, online courses, ebooks, etc. By using a blog as a marketing channel to sell your expertise. The idea is that during the workday, when you have idle time, then you can take advantage of it to build a new income source. You can then do paid surveys or build yourself a blog where you recommend reviews and recommend different products. 7. Start your YouTube channel. Making money on YouTube is very similar to making money on a blog. You need to choose the right topic, create the right content, and increase traffic to your channel. That's it. When you have enough viewers, you can make money from YouTube monetization ads, affiliate links, sponsored videos, or sell your products. YouTube is the second most visited site in the world. And according to research from YouTube, 87% of people prefer to watch video content instead of books and written content. In 2020, YouTube paid nearly $8.5 billion to its users who uploaded videos. So money on the platform is guaranteed to be available. 8. Set up your e-commerce store. Starting e-commerce can be a great way to earn extra income and eventually turn a business that generates extra income into a day job. However, when setting up your first online store, not everything always goes completely down the pipe. If you are completely new to the e-commerce business, it's important to start with a small investment. First, it's important to try and see what works and invest more money when it's time to scaling up. Setting up e-commerce is easy these days. With Shopify, WordPress, and WooCommerce, for example, you can get an impressive, professional, and branded e-commerce store and launch in just a few days. 9. Sell your photos and graphics. If your passion is taking photos and you're good at it, you might consider selling photos online. There are countless photo banks online. One of the most popular services, Shutterstock, pays you every time an image you upload to a site is downloaded by a customer. Utilizing photo banks can be a great way to get yourself a lucrative profession. Even if taking photos isn't your thing, more and more photo banks are also paying you for digital art. So if you like graphic design, then you should try selling your work to photo banks. Some good alternatives of Shutterstock are iStock, Adobe Stock, Getty Images, etc. 10. Invest in cryptocurrencies. This is a slightly more advanced way to make more money, and this also requires some own money to be able to start it. Why invest in cryptocurrencies? The idea of this strategy is to make a profit when cryptocurrency rates move up and down. That's what they do more than any stock or other asset class at the moment. The idea is that we buy the best cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, BTC, or Ethereum, ETH, when they are underpriced and expect them to rise to profit. We are not meant to expect the Bitcoin price to rise to the clouds, but to make a profit whenever it first falls and then rises to victory. So the idea is to expect that the value of Bitcoin, for example, has dropped 20 to 30% from its most recent peak. Then buy then. If it drops to 40%, then buy the same amount more, etc. This gives us good security to invest because others are still at a loss when the price starts to rise, but you have the opportunity to make a much faster profit. Winning should be repatriated when the exchange rate has risen 10 to 15% from the moment you invest in the cryptocurrency. Bonus: social media management. Many influencers and small businesses require a social media manager because they simply do not have the time or expertise to maintain active social media accounts, such as Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, or Twitter. An active social media account plays a key role in the success of many businesses. You can handle 2 to 3 social media accounts at one time and create a good amount of money. If you have any understanding in this field, contact your local businesses or social media influencers and offer your services at a monthly rate. This is an easy and fast way to make money online, no matter where you live. We talked about 10 different ways to build more revenue streams for yourself, and do it regardless of time and place. We recommend that you test different ways and see which one is most interesting to you. What are your thoughts? And which way is easier for you? Let us in the comments below. That's all for today. Thank you.